90 feet is going to be 30 yards. What's going on, guys? Last year we did pattern testing. We're here doing it again. I wanted to try and pattern test these Rios right here. They're going to be the 3-inch 1400 FPS, 1 1/4 ounce, and the 3-shot. We also have the Shotkam, which is pretty neat. So let's see how this pattern tests at 30 yards. All right, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. Shades on it. So there's a lot of open holes. For the most part, it's not bad. I've noticed with my A400 I have to shoot a little bit under. Right now I'm aiming dead on the bullseye. And when I do that, you can see it shoots a little high. So I have to remember to shoot right at the duck's feet. So when the recoil comes up, that's where it's going to be at. That's why it's always good to pattern your gun and know where your shot is. Some guns just shoot straight on. Maybe I could change the shims a little bit. It's not too bad though with a pattern. All right, guys, the next one we're going to be shooting is Black Cloud with the new flight control. We're shooting the 12 gauge 3-inch with the 1 1/4 ounce 3-shot. Also, with my Shotkam, you're going to see that I aim a little bit below the target because this gun does shoot a little high. All right, this is the Black Cloud. Here you can see I did aim a little low, but it's right on target. And that's the 3-shot. It's not bad. Can't tell which one's better, the Rio, which is $10 or $9 a box, or the Black Cloud, which I got at 13 a box, normally like 20 something. Looks pretty good. All right, this is going to be the Rio 3-inch 1 1/4 ounce 3-shot. Let's see what happens. Again, I'm going to shoot a little low. Okay, this is the Rio. Not bad. A couple right in the center. All around looks good though. You guys tell me what you think. You guys like the Rio or the Black Cloud?